Yes, let's say we use AI to personalise education or to treat mental health. It's probably very good, but we need to be sure what are the other considerations that need to be taken into account, that it's not doing something that might do harm in some other way. So we need to have an analytical framework to think about these things. If you think about AI in screening for terrorists, what are the bases on which that's being done? Is that being done in a way which is likely to identify potential terrorists? Or is it likely to actually do something else and have consequences for geostrategic relationships or for social cohesion or so forth? We have no way of analysing them in a way that is useful for policymakers, for societies to judge when they should let it be not restricted and when it should have some sort of controls, and whether those controls are legal or whether they are in some other form of regulation. And so there needs to be a systematic way of looking at these technologies. It didn't exist until this work was done. When the internet was developed, everybody said it was going to be great, it was going to democratise the world, it was going to make information much more sharing. There were people saying, well, even then it should have some controls on it because it could be the sources of disinformation, etc., etc., etc. What if we regulate the internet then, globally, as we regulate telecommunications? Would we have actually had as much problem with social media as we now do?